I'm Michael with OrthoPro, and we enjoy the opportunity to support our community members that help others that have special needs, especially the children. Today we're at Gemstone Adaptive Climbing, and we're learning how the benefits of doing this activity help not only the children, but the volunteers are helped, as well as the parents.
Hi, I'm Melissa. I am here with Gemstone Adaptive Climbing. I have Lisa, Izzie's mom, here with me today.
Izzie is 24 years old. She has 9p deletion, which is a genetic syndrome. She has lots of social things that are difficult for her. She can be overly social. She's been in special ed her whole life through school. And when we found this particular program, it's just been a life changer for her. It's been so fun for all of us. Izzie has always had fine motor skill issues, and the fine motor skill strength that she's gained from climbing has been amazing. Some of the other things that have really kicked in for her is social connections, relationships, problem-solving skills. She has to stop and look around at where she's going to put her hands and listen to people and take advice and encouragement. The encouragement's crazy. This has been just a fabulous program, not only for her, but for me too. Yes. The relationships that I'm building.
Yeah. I think the connections that the families have, that the volunteers have with the families has been invaluable. I mean, Izzie has been climbing with us since, I believe, January of 22. The growth that we've seen already, I think is just a small portion of what we will continue to see her do.
If you have a special needs child and are looking for something to do with them, I would say call Gemstone Climbing and get them down here. It gives them such encouragement, and they find out that they can be just like everybody else, and they can climb and they can move and they can get the support they need. I wouldn't hesitate. Give them a call. This is just a wonderful place to be.